Right guys, we just received a Bentley. It's been made custom bumpers for the car. Someone else done in fiberglass the whole new back bumper and front bumper as a body kit. So we're gonna spray them in the same color as the car. We're gonna spray the vents in gloss black. We're gonna paint the grille in gloss black. And all the chromes around, we're gonna paint them in gloss black. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Right guys, that's the Bentley done. We painted the grille in gloss black, we painted both bumpers, we added the rings, we added the scoops. The only thing we could add is a spoiler because the customer got the wrong spoiler. We painted all the chrome, so we de-chromed the car. It's pretty much done, it looks amazing. So it's time to get it out. Every Wednesday and every Sunday we'll be posting a video, so keep eye guys, and let me get it out.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be